Here's how you're going to get 16 out of 16 on language paper 2, question 4. So firstly, what the question is, it will get you to compare the two extracts and in particular focusing on the writer's opinions, viewpoints, perspectives. And this is 16 marks. Then when we're trying to compare opinions, we're looking at what does the writer believe or what are they arguing? So we're going to look for kind of like strong verbs, evaluative language. So the easiest way I like to teach all my students about opinions, think about your opinion on something. If you like broccoli, what's your opinion? You like it or you dislike it. So just kind of look at what they like or dislike. So here's a little sentence starter to compare their opinions. Both writers present clear opinions on, however, writer A believes, whereas writer B suggests, ... And breaking down the structure and having sentence starters is honestly the most important thing for English language, and especially for this question. So if you are a Light Up Hub member, make sure to use this structure. Now, if you're not, no worries, you can create your own structure or use something like this, because this is one of the hardest questions on language paper 2, because you want to make sure you're comparing them, but comparing them evenly and also comparing their opinions, viewpoints, feelings in the most effective way. Now, the second thing we'll look at is viewpoints or perspectives. So what we're going to do here is really zoom in on how the writer presents their views. Is it more personal? Is it more factual? Is it more emotional? Is it more persuasive? Kind of think about the way that they present their opinions and their viewpoints. Because if it's coming from somebody's like personal story or personal account, then we know it's more personal. But if they're using like facts and statistics, it could be seen to be more factual. So kind of looking at that and trying to piece together bits of evidence to see how that would fit. And a sentence starter we can use for this. Writer A presents their viewpoint using ... while writer B adopts a more ... approach, showing their different perspectives on ... And then the third thing we want to look at is feelings. So we want to look at their emotional tone. Are they angry? Are they nostalgic? Are they joyous? Are they frustrated? So we want to look at any quotes or bits of evidence that show their emotions. And a good sentence starter for that, writer A conveys feelings of ... through their use of ... whereas writer B feels ... shown by their ...